Did you know your PC could be tracking your every move, even when you're not using your map? Whether you are using Windows 11, Chrome, Edge, Mozilla Firefox, your location is probably being monitored right now. But don't worry, in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to shut it all down. If you care about your privacy, stay right here and let's take back control.
Do you ever get a feeling your computer knows just a little too much about where you are or concerned about your privacy? In today's video, I'll show you how to disable location tracking on Windows 11 on specific applications and across popular web browsers like Google Chrome, Edge, Firefox, all in just a few clicks. Let's start off with how to turn off location tracking on your computer entirely or system-wide. There are a couple of ways that you can use to turn off location tracking or to display the settings that you can use to turn off location tracking. You can either go to the start menu, click on the start menu, and then type settings to display the settings menu, or you right click on the start menu, click on settings, or use the shortcut key Windows plus I to display the settings. Once settings is opened, select privacy and security from the left hand sidebar. Click on location under the app permissions section. Now you can see location tracking services, right? Now toggle off or turn off location services to disable it completely. And there you have it. Location tracking is turned off entirely on your computer. Try it out and let me see and tell me how it feels like. Turning off location tracking will disable or turn off apps like maps and the weather. It will also turn off location for anyone using this device. Find My Device and automatic time zones will be unavailable. Apps and services may no longer be able to request location or find nearby Wi-Fi, just as it is shown on your screen. So once you turn it off, know that certain services or applications may not work effectively. And for those of us who don't want web browsers to access our location services, I'm going to show you how to disable location tracking on web browsers like Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, and Firefox. So let's get straight to it. Let's start off with Microsoft Edge. Let's start off with Microsoft Edge. I've been using Edge for quite some time now, and I'm going to show you how to disable location tracking on Microsoft Edge. First, locate the three dots on the topmost right corner of your screen beside your profile. Locate the three dots, click on it and locate settings in your Microsoft Edge browser. A window will be opened to you. That is the settings window in your web browser. That is Microsoft Edge. Once it is opened, locate privacy, search, and services on the side menus. Once it is selected, locate site permissions. Click on Site Permissions and then locate All Permissions. Once All Permissions is selected, you will see location tracking on the top. You will see it's the first one that you see. Click on it and you have access to turn off location tracking on your Microsoft Edge browser. It prevents the browser from accessing your location each time. Try it out and let me know how it feels like turning off location tracking on your computer. Let's take a look at turning off location tracking on your Firefox web browser. Open your Firefox browser and locate the hamburger on the topmost right corner. Click on it. Once it is clicked, a window will be opened for you. On the side menus, locate privacy and security. Click on privacy and security and permissions will be opened for you. Click on location settings and another window will be opened for you. On the menu, click on the checkbox to block new requests asking access to your location. Click on save changes and your changes will be saved. To turn off location tracking on your Firefox browser. Try it out and let me know how it feels doing that. To turn off location tracking on web browser such as Google Chrome, all you do is open the web browser, that's Google Chrome, open it. Once the Google Chrome browser is opened, locate the three dots on the topmost right corner. Once it is clicked, you select settings from the menu that appears. And once settings is open, just as we did for the previous browsers, the common feature around all these browsers is you locate the three dots on the topmost right corner and you locate settings. So in order to change any settings or any feature in all these browsers, you need to access its settings on the topmost right corner, locate the hamburger or the three dots on the topmost right corner to locate settings. And once settings is clicked, you get to access all these features in the web browser that you haven't been using. Click on privacy and security and then locate site settings. Once site settings is selected, you scroll down and then you locate the location services. Tap on location services, and once it is selected, you see the information that is there. Either site can ask for location or collapse unwanted requests, expand all requests, or you turn off site location services permanently in the web browser. That is the Google Chrome web browser. Once it is done, you have turned off location tracking services from accessing your location data. Try it out and let me know how it feels like getting to disable or access all these features in these web browsers. And if you want to turn off location tracking on specific applications, you have to go through the same process by going to your start menu and then type in settings, or use the shortcut key Windows plus I to display the settings. Go to privacy, the same process you used in going to settings and turning off location tracking entirely. You go through the same process, and when you get to location under the app permission section, click on location, and under it you will see let apps access your location. So you go through the applications there and select which one you want to turn off or on, the applications you want them to have access to your location. You turn it on. Those you don't want them to track your location, you turn it off in that order in order to suit your preference. In all of this, you can temporarily turn off location tracking by going to your notification section and then selecting airplane mode. But note, once you turn on airplane mode, it turns off Bluetooth and Wi-Fi services. So when airplane mode is on temporarily, you can't access your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your computer. It's that easy. Since it is temporary, you can turn it on and then access your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth services on your computer. That is if your computer has Bluetooth in it.
And that is it. You've just taken back control of your digital location. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share for others to benefit from this video. I'll see you in the next episode.